optimized in terms of time and cost. Undo screws and remove cover. Press clamp on outlet check valve together and remove it from the seat. Twist securing ring out of the seat groove. Remove check valve from housing. Repeat steps for inlet check valve. Tension the springs of both removed check valves and loosen the nuts. Remove stems and valve cone. Exchange housings alternating. Assemble stems and valve cone in reverse order. For disassembly of discharge valve, unscrew control line. Press clamp together and remove it. Push discharge valve from below out of housing seat and remove it upwards. Check for damage and dirt. If necessary, the discharge valve can be disassembled and the diaphragm can be replaced. Reassembly and mounting of discharge valve in reverse order. Mount both check valves in reverse order. First inlet check valve, then outlet check valve. Screw cover on housing.